In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Barclays Bank account. Whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started by visiting the official Barclays website. You can do this by typing www.barclays.co.uk directly into your browser's address bar. A word of caution: always type the web address yourself and avoid clicking on links from emails or messages to ensure your security. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to select the type of account that best suits your needs. Click on either bank accounts or current accounts. Barclays offers a variety of options, so you'll have a few choices to consider. If you're looking for everyday banking, the everyday current account might be your best bet. If you're a higher income customer, consider the premier account. Students can opt for the student account, while those under 18 might look at the children's account. For those interested in growing their savings, a savings account may be the right fit. Once you've decided, click on Apply Now beneath the account type you want. After selecting your account, you'll be redirected to the Barclays online form where you'll need to fill in your details. This includes your full name, date of birth, home address, postcode, email, and phone number. In some cases, you may also be asked to provide your nationality and tax details. Take your time here to ensure all the information is entered accurately. Next, it's time to verify your identity. Barclays requires you to upload or scan a few documents. You'll need a passport or driving license for ID verification and a utility bill or bank statement to prove your address. If you're completing this on your phone, you might also be asked to take a photo of your ID and record a short selfie video to further confirm your identity. Once you've uploaded the necessary documents, go ahead and check your details before clicking the Submit button. After submission, keep an eye out for a confirmation email from Barclays acknowledging that they've received your application. The final step is to wait for approval. Barclays will review the documents you've submitted. If everything is in order, you'll receive your account number and sort code. Plus, you'll get your debit card in the post, which typically arrives within 5 to 7 working days. And there you have it, a new Barclays Bank account set up and ready for use. So that's it for setting up a Barclays Bank account online. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of your new account.